他只是从冰箱里拿了一罐啤酒，结果一个陌生女人就出现在了眼前，啤酒直接被捏爆，两人惊慌失措的大叫。马克疑惑对方怎么会出现在他家里。
Stealing here.
What?
丽莎说她一直就住在这儿。
I'm not stealing anything.
Okay. I'm sure there's a homeless shelter nearby. I will give you money for cab fare and a good meal, but please don't blow it on more beer, okay?
他把马克当成入室盗窃的小偷。马克说他不是流浪汉，这是他刚租的房子。如果丽莎也住在这里，那只能说是房屋经纪人搞了鬼，把房子同时租给了他们两个人。
Don't you get it? There's probably 5 other people who paid deposits and got the keys.
丽莎说这里的家具都是她买的。
That's my couch. That's my coffee table. Is that a ring? Have you ever heard of a coaster?
他责怪马克把家里搞得一团糟，说着就走进厨房准备打扫。马克好奇他是什么时候住进来的，可当他跟着丽莎来到厨房，却发现丽莎竟凭空消失了。他找遍了整个家，也没见对方的身影。
Hello?
马克把这件事告诉了好友，好友是一名心理医生。